Hey guys, it's your homeboy, the one and only Great Dane. So, before you ask why I'm wearing this wacky getup and I look like a complete weirdo, so yes indeed, someone did send me the Deep Freeze bundle by mail. I believe it's the same person who sent the Darkfire bundle, and I am wearing this because I think it kind of resembles the Frostbite outfit, the side-by-side comparison I used for the thumbnail. I decided that to make this 15% more interesting than the Darkfire video, I'm going to wear this the entire time I do the review. So, of course, we have the front of the package, which looks like the actual package that you would see for the Deep Freeze bundle. Then we have the back, which looks like the back. I'll read off the back quick. So cool off with the Deep Freeze bundles at 1000 V-Bucks. Includes Frostbite outfit, Freezing Point back bling, Chill X pickaxe, and Cold Front glider. So it's technically 4 actual items, but the V-Bucks is the 5th item. So it includes install of the free Fortnite Battle Royale game, does not include Save the World mode, Deep Freeze, set redeemable, and free game Fortnite Battle Royale only. V-Bucks can be spent in both Battle Royale and Save the World. All games content delivered via one-time redemption code. If the digital items are already owned on an account, then this becomes worth 3,000 V-Bucks if you use the code instead of actually getting the items, since you would assumingly already have them. Then we have this bottom warning part here. And guys, to save time, I already took off the 2 layers of plastic that it had on it. So we have this side, and we have the warning side, which you can't read the warning, but it says keep away from small children. The thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. This bag is not a toy. But guys, for my own safety, I'm going to risk, for your quality content, I'm going to use this bag as a toy just to prove that you shouldn't. Yeah, definitely don't eat plastic. Anyway, yeah, just keep that away from children. So, of course, we need to start with the mandatory smell the box for the box opening, because that's the most important part of the content, is what does it smell like. So, here comes the obscenely loud smelling. ASMR. Okay, still smells like cardboard. I think this is a huge oversight on Epic Games' part. I mean, imagine if this box just so happened to smell like gingerbread cookies. That would be amazing. But but anyway, so on a nerdgasm level of 1 to 10, I would give this a 7. Again, don't quote me on that. It's not as like reflective or anything. It just seems like a regular gaming box, but it's still pretty cool to have, I suppose. So on the inside, we don't have a disc. So we have 2 pieces of paper. So this is the inside. So let me show you the first piece of paper. So you have the Fortnite Battle Pass. And no, it's not an actual Battle Pass. So it just tells you about it. Play Battle Royale, level up, unlock epic loot. Spend your V-Bucks in the Fortnite store or Epic. Or pick up a Battle Pass. A Battle Pass gives you access to season-specific rewards that can be earned by playing the game and completing challenges. Over 100 rewards, enter Battle Plus colors, emotes, V-Bucks, pet, black, balloons, sprays, toys, and more. I don't know why, but this mask is somehow impeding my ability to speak English. And then you have the Save the World side of the piece of paper. Don't take shelter, make it. Try the Fortnite mode that started it all. A deadly storm came without warning. 98% of the world's population vanished, and then came the monsters. It's up to you to lead the world's amazing heroes in the fight to hold back the monsters. Experience a never-ending story campaign. It takes you up to 3 friends all over the world. And they have the websites for that, so it's... I don't know why they included this here. I guess they inform you or something. Here's the thing you're all very interested in. So we have the actual code itself. So this expires on 11/13/2028. And guys, I'm gonna show it to you again, but don't be a meme. Of course, I already used the code. Why is that flashing like that? This is... Whoa, guys, my camera's having a seizure. I hope this doesn't give someone an epileptic seizure for some reason. I don't know why that's flashing like that. But yeah, I want to thank whoever sent this. Speaking of weird apparel guys, make sure to subscribe because I have a very interesting video tomorrow that may come unexpected to most of you because it seems pretty crazy that of how easy it really is to do this. So tomorrow is going to be a big surprise to most of you, I hope. So again, I'm not going to show the actual items in game because there's plenty of videos already doing that. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day because I really need to take this off. It is hot in the summer and wearing this costume during the summer splash is honestly a crime. Bye guys.